Goodbye swelling. Are your knees aching, joints stiff, and every step a painful reminder of lost mobility? It's not just age, it's collagen loss. Collagen is the glue that cushions your joints, and by age 65, your body makes less than half of what it needs. But here's the good news. You can reverse the damage. No pills, no powders, no surgery. The solution is in your kitchen. Certain foods can restore joint fluid, reduce swelling, and even help regrow cartilage. Today we'll count down the 8 most powerful collagen-rich foods to rebuild your joints, especially if you're over 50. Stick around for the #1 food with 61% more collagen than anything else on Earth. Most seniors have never even tried it. Drop your age in the comments, and let's dive into the foods that can transform your joints from the inside out. Number 8 is egg yolks, nature's joint repair kit. Forget the cholesterol myth. Egg yolks are loaded with sulfur, glycine, and proline, key building blocks for your body's own collagen. The yolk is where the magic happens, packed with nutrients your joints crave. A 2020 study found that consuming egg yolk membrane reduced joint discomfort by 22%. The membrane is rich in collagen, glucosamine, and chondroitin, the same compounds in pricey supplements. For best results, eat your yolks soft-cooked, poached, soft-boiled, or sunny-side up. Runny yolks preserve delicate nutrients. Nature designed the yolk to create new life. It's a complete food, and you're harnessing that power for your joints. Don't throw away the yolk, it's the most joint-protective part of the egg. Bring yolks back to your breakfast. 2 or 3 soft-cooked eggs a day can make a real difference. Every food on this list works together, but egg yolks are your starting point. Embrace the yolk, it's your ally, not your enemy. Start today, and feel the difference in your joints. Remember, the nutrients in egg yolks prepare your body for even more powerful collagen sources coming up. Don't let outdated fears keep you from this healing food. Your joints need the unique combination of fats, vitamins, and amino acids found only in the yolk. It's a simple, affordable, and powerful first step on your journey to pain-free movement. Let's move on to the next collagen-boosting food. Number 7. Pumpkin seeds. They don't contain collagen, but they're loaded with zinc and copper, the minerals your body needs to build collagen. Zinc activates the enzymes that weave amino acids into strong collagen fibers, while copper helps form the cross-links that give cartilage its strength. Without these minerals, your body can't use the collagen you eat. A 2021 study showed that older adults with higher zinc and copper intake had better joint flexibility and repair. Soak raw pumpkin seeds to boost mineral absorption, then roast for a crunchy snack or salad topping. Think of pumpkin seeds as the support crew for your joint rebuilding project. Just a small handful a day can make a big difference. They ensure all the collagen you eat gets put to good use. Don't underestimate these tiny seeds. They're a critical piece of the puzzle. Add them to your diet to strengthen your body's foundation for lasting relief. You're not just patching the problem, you're building a stronger system. Next up, a superfood hiding in your pantry. Number 6. Canned salmon with skin and bones. Don't pick out the bones and skin. They're packed with type 1 collagen and marine gelatin, plus anti-inflammatory omega-3s. Eating the soft bones gives your body highly absorbable collagen, while the skin delivers extra joint healing power. A 2020 study found that marine collagen from fish improved knee flexibility and reduced pain. Simply mash the salmon bones and skin together, your joints will thank you. Use it for salmon salad, patties, or eat it straight. It's a complete joint rebuilding meal in a canned protein, collagen, and anti-inflammatory fats. This is one of the easiest, most effective swaps you can make. Next time you shop, grab wild-caught canned salmon with skin and bones. It's a traditional food with modern healing power. Let's keep building your joint strength. Number 5. Chicken skin. It's time to stop fearing it. Chicken skin is one of the richest sources of type 1 collagen, the same kind that makes up 90% of your body's collagen. Eating it strengthens ligaments, stabilizes joints, and delivers glycine, proline, and hydroxyproline directly to where you need them. A 12-week study showed that people consuming nutrients from chicken skin and cartilage had better joint comfort and mobility. Bake or roast chicken with the skin on for a crispy, delicious, and therapeutic meal. Simmering chicken with skin for broth also extracts collagen into the liquid. Avoid high-heat frying to protect the proteins. Every bite of crispy chicken skin is medicine for your joints. Consistency is key. Include it regularly for real results. Nature put the skin there for a reason. Embrace it. This whole food approach taps into ancient healing wisdom. Enjoy your chicken, and know you're rebuilding your joints with every bite. Ready for the next collagen booster? Number 4. Pure unflavored gelatin. This is pre-cooked collagen, broken down for fast absorption. Gelatin delivers glycine, proline, and hydroxyproline directly to your connective tissues, making it ideal for rapid joint repair. Older adults especially benefit from gelatin's easy absorption. A 2018 study found that athletes who consumed gelatin with vitamin C before exercise doubled their collagen synthesis. Use grass-fed beef gelatin powder, stir it into coffee, tea, or bone broth for a daily joint boost. Or make your own healthy gummies with gelatin and low-sugar juice. Gelatin is a time-tested, science-backed superfood for your joints. Its rapid absorption and high concentration of key amino acids make it incredibly efficient. Don't dismiss gelatin as old-fashioned. It's a modern solution for joint pain. Incorporate it daily for stronger, more flexible joints. It's the express delivery your body needs for healing. Next, let's talk about a tiny fish with big benefits. On to number 3. Number 3. Sardines. Eaten whole with skin and bones. These tiny fish are packed with type 1 collagen, marine gelatin, and powerful omega-3s. Eating sardines gives you the building blocks to repair cartilage and the anti-inflammatory fats to soothe pain. A 2022 study found that people who ate oily fish like sardines had less joint pain and better mobility. Sardines also deliver vitamin D and calcium for bone strength. Buy sardines packed in olive oil or water, with skin and bones intact. Eat them straight from the can, mash onto toast, or add to salads. The bones are soft and unnoticeable, but your joints will notice the benefits. Don't let the strong flavor scare you. It's a sign of nutrient density. Each sardine is a capsule of joint medicine: collagen, omega-3s, vitamin D, and calcium. For anyone over 50, sardines are a smart, affordable choice for joint health. Make them a regular part of your diet for real results. Ready for the ultimate healing elixir? Let's move to number 2. Number 2. Bone broth, the original healing elixir. Real bone broth is made by simmering bones and connective tissue for hours, extracting collagen, gelatin, glucosamine, and chondroitin. These are the same compounds found in expensive supplements, but in their most natural, absorbable form. Drinking bone broth bathes your joints in healing amino acids, replenishing synovial fluid and rebuilding cartilage. A 2021 clinical trial showed that collagen from chicken cartilage, just like in bone broth, reduced swelling and improved mobility in people with knee pain. Make your own by simmering bones with a splash of apple cider vinegar for at least 12 hours. The result should be a gelatinous, collagen-rich broth. If you buy it, choose brands with grass-fed or pasture-raised bones and no additives. Start your day with a warm mug of bone broth for soothing, concentrated joint support. It calms inflammation, lubricates tissues, and delivers the building blocks for repair. This isn't just soup, it's liquid gold for your joints. Now let's reveal the number 1 collagen powerhouse. Get ready for a game changer. Number 1. Beef tendons, the ultimate collagen powerhouse. Tendons are almost pure collagen, with 35 grams per 100 gram serving, 61% more than even gelatin powder. They're made of type 1 collagen, the same kind your body uses to build strong ligaments, tendons, and cartilage. Eating beef tendon is like giving your body a direct supply of the exact materials it needs for repair. A 2022 clinical trial found that collagen peptides increase knee cartilage density. Beef tendon is the whole food version. To cook, simmer tendons low and slow for several hours until they become tender and gelatinous. Add them to soups, stews, or bone broth for a rich, joint-healing meal. They're inexpensive and available at Asian markets or from your butcher. Beef tendon is a staple in dishes like Vietnamese pho, prized for its healing properties. If you're serious about rebuilding joints and reducing swelling, this is your secret weapon. It may be unfamiliar, but the results can be life-changing. Give your body the ultimate raw material for healing. Now let's wrap up your journey to stronger joints. There you have it. 8 real foods to rebuild your joints, restore strength, and eliminate swelling. No powders, no injections, just nutrient-dense, time-tested foods that work with your body. By adding these collagen-rich foods, you're giving your joints the raw materials they need for lasting repair. Which food will you try first? Comment below. We love hearing your stories. If this video helped you, tap like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more senior health tips. Better health starts today. Say goodbye to swelling and hello to stronger, smoother movement.